Long-lasting foods for your stockpile essentials. In times of uncertainty, having a pantry full of long-lasting foods is a smart move. Let's explore what you can stockpile. First up, grains like rice and pasta are essentials. They're not only versatile but can last for years if stored properly. Don't forget about canned goods. Vegetables, fruits, and meats, all preserved, ready to eat anytime. Convenience at its best. Legumes are a powerhouse. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are nutritious, filling, and can sit on your shelf for ages. For those with a sweet tooth, honey is a fantastic option. It's eternal, natural, and a great energy booster. Dried spices and herbs will make sure your meals are never bland. Plus, they virtually never spoil if kept dry. Lastly, water is critical. It might not be a food, but ensuring you have a safe water supply is absolutely essential.